So just a brief introduction to myself. I am a personal support worker student right here in Fleming College.
I am in the 2-year welding fabrication technician program.
I'm in the practical nursing program.
I am a postgraduate student here at Fleming College, starting a new program in AI.
I graduated plumbing techniques.
I graduated from the Custom Border Services program in 2017.
I graduated from the practical nursing program in 2021. I knew that I was always going to be a nurse. I think it just took me a little bit longer to realize that that's what I wanted. My mom is also a nurse, and seeing how she helped other people to get better and connecting with families had a huge impact on me.
I spent more like 20 years in Nigeria. I studied microbiology, and I was a musician before I moved into Ghana. While I was in Ghana and Nigeria, I guess I was feeling really unappreciated. So Fleming College has actually given me a pathway to achieving a lot of my dreams, allowing me to tap into talents and parts of me that I have not been able to tap outside this country.
Right now, my partner and I just opened a plumbing company. Super proud of ourselves. We never thought we were going to be entrepreneurs, and here we are, and we're doing it. And ultimately, Fleming is still playing a huge role in our lives 8 years after we graduated. We're still meeting with our teachers. We're meeting with our peers, our friends that we met at Fleming. It just seems like Fleming is still such a big part of our life.
And I wouldn't be here without Fleming. My teachers and program coordinators supported me throughout the whole way and come on job sites with me still to this day.
One thing as an industry we are experiencing is a massive shortage of skilled trades workers and people interested in pursuing a career in the trades. Without the skilled trades workers that Fleming is helping us produce, construction suffers. And if construction suffers, so does the development and progression of our own community. Fleming has the ability to introduce students to new technologies, which allows the students to come out much more prepared, ready to hit the ground running and ready to really help us produce.
One of the major things that has enhanced my learning experience is the tech inside of the welding lab. It's up to date, it's fantastic. Being able to use technology in the lab that we'll then be using within our current field is less of a learning curve once we graduate.
The equipment in the lab made available by the numerous amazing donors who have been investing in this college have actually put me on a place where I can do real life situations in the lab.
Our skills lab is fantastic. We were lucky to have top of the line materials and equipment, as well as mannequin simulators that were able to answer the questions that we were asking to help us walk through our assessment.
Not many other schools have that opportunity for nursing students, and I feel like that contributed a lot to my success because I am such a hands-on learner. I honestly don't think I would have that chance, or the school would even have that, without the contribution from donors.
For our students, Fleming College is the beginning of an incredible journey. Fleming students are ready to take on the world, and the world needs every Fleming graduate. The Fleming Forward Fund is a new opportunity for us to come together with alumni, faculty, staff, industry partners, and create prosperity for our community. Your generous support will ensure that each student who starts their incredible journey here at Fleming have all of the tools that they need to succeed. Fleming students are the future. With your support, we are moving that future forward.